Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable credit card transaction alerts with Capital One, full guide step by step clearly. To enable credit card transaction alerts with Capital One, start by opening the Capital One mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. If you haven't registered for online access, you will need to do so by following the on-screen prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the account section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Select your credit card from the list of accounts displayed. Next, look for the Alerts or Notifications option within your card's account settings. Tap on it to view the available alert options. You should see various types of alerts, including transaction alerts, payment due reminders, and fraud alerts. Toggle on the Transaction Alerts option to enable notifications for all purchases made with your card. You may also have the choice to customize these alerts based on transaction amounts or types. Review the notification preferences to choose how you want to receive alerts, such as via push notifications or email. After making your selections, save your changes. Now, you will receive alerts each time a transaction is made on your Capital One credit card. Check your alert settings periodically to ensure they align with your preferences. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Capital One's customer service for assistance. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled credit card transaction alerts with Capital One. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.